Hello all, welcome to Technostic. In the series of Linux operating system, previously we saw Linux architecture, and today we are going to look upon exactly what is hardware, kernel, shell and applications. So let's get started. So basically, in theory sense, what is hardware? So hardware consists of all physical devices attached to the system. Hardware consists of all physical devices attached to a system. For example, hard disk drive, RAM, motherboard, CPU, etc. So these are all known as hardware, which are physical devices connected to the system. Next we are going to look upon is what is kernel. So kernel is a core component. It is a core component for any Linux operating system which directly interacts with the hardware. I repeat, kernel is the core component of any Linux operating system which directly interacts with the hardware. Next we have shell. So let's look upon what's shell. Shell is the interface which takes input from the users and sends instructions to kernel. Also takes output from kernel and sends the result back to the output shell. So let's understand it. Shell is the interface which takes input from the user, sends the instruction to the kernel, also takes the output from the kernel and sends the result back to the output shell or the users. Now I'll just in short draw the architecture over here. This is hardware, then this is kernel, then we have shell, and then we have applications which are used by users. So what shell will do, it will take the input from the user, then it will send the instruction to the kernel what needs to be performed. Now kernel will process it and send the output back to the shell, and shell will again send it to the users. So this is what is the working of a basic shell system. Okay, and last is applications. So what's applications? Let's see what are applications. So these are utility programs. Applications are utility programs which run on shell. This can be any application like web browsers, media player, text editor, etc. Okay, so these are utility programs which are used by end users which run on shell. Examples: web browsers, media players, text editors, etc. So let's just quickly revise the four basic components of the architecture of Linux. That is hardware. Hardware consists of all physical devices attached to the system. Examples are hard disk drive, RAM, motherboard, CPU, etc. Then we have kernel. So kernel is the core component of any Linux operating system which directly interacts with the hardware. Next we have shell. So shell is the interface which takes inputs from the user and sends the instructions to the kernel, also takes the output from the kernel and sends the result back to the output shell for users. And last but not least, we have applications. So applications are utility programs which are used by end users which run on the shell. This can be any application, may it be a browser or media player or text editor, etc. So this is all about the basic components of the Linux architecture. Thank you for watching this video. Please stay tuned for more such content to our channel. Also do like, share and subscribe our channel. Press the bell button to get the latest video notifications to our channel. Thank you.